Hi everyone! Today we're going to be doing a very simple zippered sequin bag. You can use this for your makeup, for pencils, for your sewing supplies, or anything that you want. This sequin goes from purple holographic to a nice green color. You can fit your scissor here. You can put anything you want. The color is so cool, so cute, and very shiny. The things that you will need to make this bag are: first is your sequin. You can get any color that you want. This one is by Park Lane. The size of it is 9 inches by 12, and I bought this in Joann's stores. Second is a zipper. This one is 12 inches long. You don't have to match it with the color of your sequins. You can use any color, but you also have to make sure that the length is the same as the sequin. You don't want it too short or too long. Third is some clips for your fabric. This one is called Magic Clip. I also bought it at Joann's stores. You can use pins as well. You will of course need your sewing machine. This one is the Brother Project Runway Edition. I added some cute cherry blossom stickers to it. I have an unboxing video and a threading video of the sewing machine. You can click the I button up there. This is optional. You can add a zipper tag or a zipper pull. This is just some holographic fabric. Let's get started on our video. We're going to take our sequin and our zipper. We're going to line them both up from end to end. We're going to put the sequin on top of the zipper without putting it over the zipper teeth. Just like this, you can use your clip to keep the sequin and your zipper in place. We're going to do the same thing to the other side, putting a clip to keep everything in place. Before we start, we're going to need our zipper foot. We are going to start sewing with our zipper halfway open, and we have to make sure that the sequin is not on top of the zipper teeth. So we're just going to top stitch to the other end. When we have passed our zipper pull, we can carefully close our zipper all the way. So this is what we have. We top stitch from end to end. Ignore this stitching over here. I had some technical difficulties. Now we have to sew the other side as well. We're going to do it a little differently, but we're still going to sew the sequin on top of the zipper. We're going to fold our sequin so the right side is inside and the wrong side is outside. In this case, the zipper will go on top of the sequin. To prevent from sewing the bottom of the bag accidentally, we're going to open our zipper all the way. Again, since the sequin is on the wrong side, we're going to put the zipper on top of the sequin, but making sure that it's not on top of the zipper teeth. Now we are ready to start sewing. We're going to top stitch from end to end. So when you're sewing, we have to make sure that the zipper is close enough to the sequin without being on top of the zipper teeth. Since our zipper is open, we have a low chance of hitting the zipper pull, but still be careful. And we are done sewing our long side. This is how it looks like with our zipper closed. Now we can just sew the short ends and then we'll have our bag. If you're going to use a zipper pull, you can take your small piece of fabric, fold it in half. We're going to tuck it in here before we sew. So the two raw edges is facing out and the folded piece is inside, like so. We can use a clip to keep everything together. Now we are ready to sew. I have already taken out the zipper foot and used my regular sewing foot. I'm sewing 3/4 of a stitch, which is almost the size of my presser foot. To add a little strength to my stitching, I like to back stitch all the way. And we are done sewing one side. I will trim the excess of the zipper once I have sewed the other side. Before we sew this end together, we're going to open our zipper halfway because we're going to want to turn our bag the right way. We're going to leave approximately 1/2 inch of seam allowance so we don't leave a big gap where our zipper end is. Again, I like to backstitch all the way. Now we can trim the excess of fabric, but do not trim too close to our stitching. And on this end, I'm just going to cut off the excess of the zipper. And we are done with everything. Now we can just open our zipper and turn our bag the right way. We are done with our cute sequin bag. I hope you like this tutorial, and as always, thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on my social media sites. Have a happy weekend, everybody.